Hello, dear faculty members at Pravegaa Education. Today, on this precious and auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank you all. Dear Atul sir, Alok sir, Kunal sir, Jaidev sir, and Mukaddas sir, thank you for setting our papers. Thank you for coming into the class every single day. Thank you for the consistency. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for guiding us in the darkest hours of our life. Specifically speaking about dear Atul sir and Alok sir, I don't know if you guys remember or not, but it was on 18th August 2019 when I joined you people as a student. And I guess the time when the video will be surfacing on the internet, it will be around 5 years and 16 days. You people have seen me for 5 years and 16 days, falling, failing, succeeding, taking your guidance, asking you silly doubts, calling you late at nights, and yet the best part of the life is that you people never ever hesitated to answer my call. You always answered it. You always told me satisfactory answer. You always guided me in the right way. And today, I would like to thank you all. I wish I were some eloquent wordsmith. If I were to speak in my mother tongue, which sometimes I feel hesitant about, because I guess it's easy to express yourself in a foreign language. But if I have to speak, I would like to say कि आपका जो गुरु ऋण है वो इस जीवन में तो क्या, मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले कई जन्मों तक हम लोग नहीं चुका पाएंगे. हम लोग आपके आभारी हैं, ऋणी हैं. कितना भी कर लें आई गेस कम ही है. एंड थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग मी व्हाट आई एम टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच. With all regards, this is Puneet Tripathi, a research scholar at Department of Energy Science and Engineering at Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Thank you.